Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel Education for All, and I am your teacher Maria Memon, and today we will learn a topic from our entry class biology book. So dear students, let's see what is our topic today. Dear students, our today's topic is elements of homeostasis. And dear students, before starting our today's lecture, let's have an eye on our previous lecture. So dear students, in our previous lecture, we had learned about the definition of homeostasis, means the introduction of homeostasis and some process which are involved in maintaining the homeostasis like osmoregulation, excretion, and thermoregulation. And dear students, now let's start our today's lecture, that is elements of homeostasis. So dear students, homeostasis is controlled by feedback systems, which is also known as control system, and it is integrated with receptors, control center, and effectors, means all these work in the coordination to maintain the homeostasis. So let's see what are receptors, control center, and effectors. So dear students, receptors are the sensory organs that are neurologically connected with the nervous system, and they detect any external or internal environmental changes and send messages to the central nervous system or CNS, which is the control center. And then that control center respond by concerned effector organs to bring back the normal state of the body. So these are the elements of homeostasis. And dear students, now let's have an eye on feedback system in detail. So dear students, feedback in biology response within a system means molecule, cell, or organisms or population that influences the continued activity or productivity of the system. And there are two types of feedback mechanisms. First is the positive, and second is the negative feedback system. Now let's start positive feedback system. Dear students, the positive feedback system is concerned with the increase or initiate the change of output for many biological processes. For example, if the body is injured and bleeds, then positive feedback begins by the action of platelets. Platelets reached at the site of injury through circulating blood and recognize the damaged area and begin to stick together to stop the loss of blood and patch up the tear in the wall. And it continues until the clot is formed and bleeding is stopped. And Positive feedback does not maintain the homeostasis, but it initiate or increase the response which is needed to maintain the condition. Then, dear students, come to the negative feedback. The negative feedback suppress the normal physiological activities to bring body back to the normal state, means it maintains the homeostasis. Positive feedback increases while negative feedback suppresses. For example, when it is cold out and body temperature decreases below the set point range. Dear students, what is set point range? Means a normal range, a range in which all the metabolic process are in normal process. It is known as set point or normal position, or we can say that homeostatic condition. But when there is change, then this negative feedback starts. So during this condition, what will happen? In this condition, the negative feedback loop will cause the body to shiver, producing heat, and ultimate body temperature will return within the set point. So in this way, the temperature will maintained. And dear students, here in figure 15.2, a negative feedback mechanism both in the winter season and both and also in the summer season is shown. And here in picture 15.1, positive feedback mechanism is shown. And dear students, with this, my today's lecture is over, and I hope you understand my today's lecture. And inshallah, in my next lecture, we will start osmoregulation. Till then, stay tuned with Education for All and do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks.